Hello everyone, my name is Tinso, also known as 300. Welcome to the channel 300 Travel Tales. കേരളത്തിലെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. To my friends outside Kerala, namaste. In today's video, we will discuss about the defense systems for a motorcycle rider. So, a lot of guys have been asking me, how do you tackle the situations in the road? Is it very safe to do a solo ride? No, absolutely, motorcycle riding is not very safe. The only thing which we can do is do a defense riding or keep some defense measures by yourself so that you can use it in case of emergency. Stay tuned. Initially, we will discuss why defense is necessary during a motorcycle ride. So, when we embark on a trip of a motorcycle ride, when we go outside our city, our own locality, we go to different states in India where the language is different, the culture is different, the people are different. So, there are chances that we get mugged during our journey or we get tracked during our journey, and some goons may try to come and attack us. So there have been a lot of reports, and some of my friends also got jacked by goons. They lost their valuables, they lost their cameras, they lost their motorcycles even. So why is defense systems necessary during a motorcycle trip in India? So there have been a lot of reports in India that bikers were mugged, bikers were jacked, their valuables lost, and even their motorcycles were taken away by goons and stuff. So it is absolutely necessary that we should know some defense systems or some defense techniques so that we can at least escape with our own lives or without causing much harm for ourselves as well. So while I was touring in Gujarat and Rajasthan back in 2015, we met a guy in a local dhaba. So he was asking, how did you come through these roads at night? So we were touring at night actually. So he was wondering, how did we come through those roads? So he was saying that this road were not safe. Once he was traveling on his Pulsar 220 bike, and a car with 4 people chased him for a long distance, and they were trying to mug him and take his motorcycle. So incidents like this happens, and many of my friends have also reported they have lost this. Even I personally experienced some. So during my Kashmir ride when I was in Kolkata, so I had to park my motorcycle in a specific place, but some guys came over me and they asked me to park my motorcycle inside a secured building near my hotel. So the next day when I took my motorcycle, they were asking for demanding for more money. So I was like, no, I'm not going to give you any money because you did not even park my motorcycle. This was a day shift guys, and the guys who parked my motorcycle, at least they were night shift guys. So they were saying they demanded more money, and so there arised a lot of tension during that ride, and I almost spoiled a morning during my ride. So these things happen to everybody, each and every one of us. So in this video, I will share my defense systems which I use with you. So number one defense systems which I use, or which I think which is safe for us, is this tank bag. So usually what I do is I keep all my valuable stuff like my cameras, my electronic items, my bike documents, etc. in this tank bag, and I keep it in front of the bike, right? So it is very easy to attach and detach this tank bag on the bike, because it is having the magnetic strip beneath it. So the primary defense system for me is take this tank bag and run. Take this tank bag and run. If you can, take the motorcycle key as well. This is my primary defense system, so that no harm can come to me, or at least I can save my motorcycle from being jacked immediately. So running is the primary defense system. The second defense technique which I use is this bead stick. So this is how the bead stick works. So it even doubles as a selfie stick as well. So this is my secondary defense system. So just in case I have to chase away somebody, or just to make them noticeable that I'm not just fooling around. There are some defense systems with me just to scare them. I use this. So this is very simple. While if you extend it, it becomes a nice bead stick and just goes in, and even doubles as a selfie stick, as I said. So the third and final defense technique which I have with me during most of my rides is this survival knife. So this I use only in case of emergency. I never used it. I probably will not use it also, but this is I may use this only in case of absolute emergency. So it is actually very safe to keep one of these small knife. It is very portable and very strong as well. Keep it with you just in case. I keep this in my belt pouch for most of the rides, and it's actually very good, for cutting vegetables as well. So that being said about the defense techniques which we can use during our rides, there are a lot of other defense technique as well. Please comment in the comment section below, so we will share it with everybody. So it is absolutely necessary that we should know when to use these defense systems. We do not want to show around your bead stick in a very crowded place. Okay, I have a bead stick, don't come with me. Oh, no, you don't have to show off your bead stick, or you don't have to show off your knife for the knife around the people. So you may end up in jail, or you will land up in big trouble. So it is absolutely necessary, and we have to understand the situation where we have to use the defense systems or defense technique. We have to use it very wisely. So what I think is that we should never use these defense systems until and unless the situation demands so much. So even normal problems in India can be solved by just throwing away some money. So if money can solve a problem, if some extra money can solve a problem, so be it. We do not need to use all these defense systems and take ourselves and other person into trouble. So that is all about my defense system. You guys have a safe ride. Let me also have a safe ride around the places. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your views in the comment section below. If you like to see more from me, subscribe and share this video. See you next time. Till then, take care. Signing off, Tinso.